took my daughter to school. I stopped and got me a drink that me and my baby gonna share. Right now I'm about to go ahead and clean my office. My office is my dining room, and I do not like it. Like, before I do any work today, as you can see, it's not organized. It's not pleasing at all. And then this right here, it's like stuff all over the floor. But this right here is like my prayer wall. I got it like really simple. And then like decorations are missing. Like, where's the other two? What's going on with that? So that's what I'm doing today. I hope you guys are having a good day. But before I do anything else with this house, today I will be focusing in my office. Okay.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared.
My title, my sign, my wall decor is now straightened. It looks way better now. I need to clean this vent. Like, that's not good. My babies have allergies. I have allergies, so I'm gonna clean that. But right now I don't want to clean that, and then, you know, I probably should clean this now, but I just really don't want to. That'll be the last thing I do. My husband said he forgot to do that. But I Am Super At Your Mom is all done. I did this DIY myself. I'm very passionate into letters and jars. I love painting jars, and I just cherish the word. I love words. Like, words have meaning to me. And here's my vision board. I did block one thing because what's right there is really passionate to me as well. And so here you go. This is what it looks like after I clean it. I need to order another bookshelf, but I don't want to put it together, so I'm being lazy on that. So this is what it looks like after I clean my whole table. Okay, and so now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this, but I should clean that first. Oh, I put my backpacks on there instead of here because I really don't want to take away from the name. And it just seems cluttered if I put my backpacks right there. Even though usually when I come in, I like to put my keys and my purse right there, but it's just so pretty right there. I don't like it right there anymore. So yeah, I'm really feeling this right now. So that's my tripod. Another tripod belongs there too. So yeah, this is pretty.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Stick around. let it bite, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
This one is like mostly my supply side. Like office supplies like this right here, like my hole puncher, my printer, like all electronics, or like my stickers. Like this side this is one that's not like mostly pink category, and I have to put more thought into this side. So about to do it. I already did this part right here. I have like 2 frames. I'm really excited about doing this because it helped me with my mental space and what I gotta do today, because my whole, direction and vision is in my office. So let's get this office. This side is just not gonna be that perfect as much as I love the left side. The left side is more mental. This side is more supply and demand on whatever I need as far as processing all my paperwork.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all messy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt. You look worried, and maybe you should be, 'cause this is a warning that I'm throwing out. 'Cause I'm the worst player that ever will play you, to mix up sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fading up.
I pushed everything right there. I'm gonna have to sit down and just that's not really the fun part, the glamour part. This part, baby, oh my god, this is the fun part for me. I'm cleaning up. I'm in the process of updating my computer. It's stopping me from doing certain things. If my computer is not updated, there's a list of things that I just can't do. So I need to update that because, baby, you guys are getting an episode every single day. So I'm excited. I didn't clean that filter. I really don't feel like it, I'm gonna be honest with myself. And you guys, that might be something I do tomorrow maybe. But my office is clean. Where you at? Where you at? I know, okay.